Alright, we got all our products over here. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Yes sir, we're still working on the 1972, but we're gonna be doing some today that I haven't done. We're gonna be fiberglassing. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. And we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, so the ones of y'all that are new to the channel, we've been trying to get this thing going. We finally got the motor running, we finally got the transmission going, we got a lot of new parts in. We got the wheels off today. This is like the third video of the day, guys, so we're grinding hard on this channel. We appreciate everybody's support. So yeah, y'all can see this area right here. Well, let me start off right here. I already rust treated this whole trunk. This is just that little stuff that shows up. It's like a residue after it's been treated. So all that stuff's gonna come off. So I cleaned this area up because this is the first time I've done like fiberglass by myself on some metal. So I'm gonna just try to do this area first. So let's see how it turns out. Alright, we got all our products over here. We're gonna get ready to mix up a small little batch. First, I'm gonna cut my fiberglass sheet so I don't have to do that. Golly, I can't open this with one hand. Give me a second. Hey, you know what, guys? This hole is a little bit easier to get to, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some metal on that one, and then we'll try the fiberglass on something else. Alright, I got that piece of metal cut out. We're just gonna patch that hole. See if we can get this welder to work right though this time. I got a new hood, so we'll see. It'll work if you take the plastic off. That's not good for my camera, guys. It's a little too close. I hope it ain't getting on my lens. I see it popping. Yep, let me move my camera out the way. Then I gotta buy a new lens. YouTube don't pay that much. Cool, we got that one on there. So it's a little line in the front. I don't got much room right here. You can see that little line right there. So we'll fiberglass that, this one, and that one. That'll be our first little test. This area, I was checking it because I was cleaning it up on the bottom. I need to go ahead and cut this area out, man. It's just too much because there's some little holes you can't see all right here. They ain't supposed to be touching that. So anyways, we're gonna go from this line out, and then from up here out, we'll cut that whole area out. But let's try this fiberglass. I want to try it. I mean, I ain't done it. I want to see what it's gonna do. What y'all think? Y'all think we should put a piece of metal right here? And we're still gonna fiberglass the small holes. Let's see if that's gonna fit. We might as well put metal right there too. I mean, it'd be better. Yep, I got my mark. We'll put metal. Well, that turned out crappy to me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and not hot anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and fiberglass this area, dude. I just don't like the way that looks anyway, so. Yeah, I mean, you're never gonna see it, but still. And then it'll get the little holes too, so. Let's go ahead and fiberglass that. We're gonna put this grease in a wax remover. And then we're gonna go ahead and try this. I know y'all been waiting on me to try, so y'all can be like, ah, you did that wrong. Oh well. Hey, you gotta learn. You gotta learn. So we're gonna fill this area in. Yes, sir. We'll let that dry for a second. Yeah, we'll let that dry for a second. And then on to the fiberglass. So I don't know how much to put yet, guys, because this is my first time. But I hope that's enough for this little patch. And then I got my hardener. I know the hardener, you just kind of a couple little drops in there. Alright, gonna go for it. That probably ain't enough. Yeah. I don't know, we're probably gonna need more than that, huh, guys? Yeah, I think we're gonna need more than that. Oh Lord. It's supposed to do that, guys? Is it supposed to do like that? Shoot. Oh, this is gonna be messy. Golly. Well, what y'all think? Too much? Too much resin? I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. But, oh well. We're gonna see. might as well fill in that little hole too before it dry. Man, I don't know about this. I don't know if this is gonna be one of my strong points, cause this is a little different. I better use this stuff up. Alright guys, I'll turn y'all back on. Let's see what it does. See if it even dry. I hope I put enough hardener. Alright guys, we'll let that dry and we'll see how it turns out. While I was waiting on this side to dry, I went ahead and fiberglassed this side. And cause it's taking forever to dry, so I probably didn't put enough hardener. On this side I did put more, so just to see the difference. So this side probably will go ahead and dry quicker. And then while that's drying and that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. I'm probably not gonna record it, but I'll go ahead and cut that out and get the piece of metal ready to weld at. Well, that part went pretty quick. Got our piece cut out. Went ahead and went pretty far back, guys. Get all that rust. There we go. I know it don't look nice, but it's gonna work. We're gonna have to scoot over a little bit. That'll work right there. Alright, let me get this tacked in. Every time we turn on the camera, I don't do right. Gotta be careful right there. We gotta go around that fiberglass. Yep. back. Alright guys, let me get the back part. Probably put what, 2 more right here. I'm gonna have to get in to get that back part. Shoot. I can't climb in there because of the fiberglass, so see if I can get this. Oh man, it's gonna be hard. Woo! That's gonna have to work, guys. Alright guys, I gotta hit it hard. It's a little tough trying to record and trying to get this stuff knocked out. So I'm gonna hit it hard off camera. Next video I'm gonna show y'all everything that we did. I'm just gonna do this top area. I'm gonna have this ready, everything fiberglassed up and ready for primer, and I think I'm gonna do bed liner or rhino liner so it can cover all this stuff up. I ain't gonna do these holes and all that stuff yet up there, but yeah, y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.